Sorry. Hope you guys are able to hear me. I'm audible. Yes. So I guess we'll be getting a shot, pretty good shot at least. Yes. We have clear targets of previous days low, and the range seems to be very tiny. Let me bring just a minute. Just I'll be opening the stream via my iPad to read comments, I guess. Just give me a minute. Okay, perfect. The voice seems to be good. Very good. Yes. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome. Hi, Hala. Hello, guys. I guess voice is audible. Voice கொஞ்சம் லோவாக இருக்கா ஓகே இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் கைஸ் இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கா ஐ மீன் த வாய்ஸ் ஷுட் பி ரைட் நவ் இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கா இப்போ நல்லாயிருக்கு ஓகே ஓகே பர்ஃபெக்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட் நான் கொஞ்சம் செட்டிங்ஸ் மாற்றணும் ஐஎஸ் ஓபிஎஸில் filters yes filters noise suppression 3D equalizer compressor expander limiter and இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கா இல்லை ஓகே ஓகே give me a minute guys okay give me a minute gain ஐஎஸ் கெயின் இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன் ஐம் நாட் ஷுர் பட் ஐஎஸ் இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கா இப்போ கரெக்டாக இருக்கா ஐம் மிஸ்ஸிங் பொட்டென்ஷியல் செட்டப்ஸ்ன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு டெய்லி சார்ட்டில் ஐ கேன் சி தட் ஓகே கைஸ் வெல்கம் டு ஸ்ட்ரீம் without wasting much of the time let's get into the stream and whoever is watching just give me a thumbs up so that I'll continue to do the streams either way I'm gonna do but still receiving some compliments would be better I guess it would be nice la simple okay perfect so without wasting much of the time let's get into our outlook so first we'll go with the outlook then we'll be looking for setups I had a very good day on Monday Tuesday and Wednesday were losing days for me and today let's see how things goes I mean if I take like losses for the next couple of days also I'll be in positive for the week because Monday I had a massive day simple and yeah this is the daily time frame just like every day I'll just get into my monthly chart so this is my NQ's continuous contract monthly chart I'll put this indicator right here I'll put that above maybe I'll put that at the top so here is indicator and there you will be able to see the time frame and the ticker name so this is NQ chart I primarily trade NQ if someone doesn't know I primarily trade NQ. So here we have our all-time highs. This is our all-time highs in NQ. I guess there is a good short, no? The short has been going on. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. So this is my monthly time frame. Here we have two options. One BADJ, and here we have sit. So if I switch on BADJ, you can see that price has not taken the all-time highs in this chart, and this is based on the contract adjustment, the continuous contract adjustment. So I'll just keep both on for both off for simplicity's sake. Here the all-time highs has been taken out. I'll just mark all-time highs right there. Right. And here those are all-time highs. So trading all-time highs has been always difficult for me. I'm not very good at trading price when it comes to all-time highs, because we'll be stuck with the mindset that price has reached a huge liquidity, and we'll try to short them. We'll try to short those market moments. So that usually don't work. But yes, trading all-time highs are like pretty tough considered when price is ranging. But we have our all-time highs right there. And this price action, this all-time highs, this relative equal lows, I've been calling for a long time. But yeah, price is right there right now. And the next or very close PDRAs or points of reference which I could see which is close to current market price is nothing. So we'll just switch to weekly chart. The weekly chart has been so good. Price has taken the previous week's low, and Monday Asia we made the low, and since then we have been rallying. Price has expanded so much. I have not checked economic calendar yet. I guess there were news at 8:30, but I'll just check it before we start trading. Before I start pushing buttons, I'll just go through that. Crude oil, I'll just look at NQ's outlook, and if there is no setups forming, I'll just go to crude oil. Okay, so we have our inversion FEG, CB, sell side imbalance and buy side inefficiency here, right there. So what price has did is that price just opened exactly at the CB, came lower, swept the previous week's lows, got into this particular week's wick, and then started pushing higher. We have almost tagged the down close candles wicks high, but I guess no, it's not tagged, but it's almost there. And price started pushing higher, and now price has reached the all-time highs. There is nothing for me to mark in weekly chart, because to the left side we don't have any price action, and I don't have anything to mark in the weekly time frame. Now we'll just get into daily time frame. The daily time frame too, the only single point of reference I have is that this previous day's high. So now previous day's highs has been taken out, and price started previous day's highs, PDH. So previous day's highs has been taken. Now I'm just using all those highs and lows or liquidity pools as my reference point. I'm inversing those PDRAs to see if the previous highs and previous lows tend to give support or resist prices. So these are all the reference point I have for now. The 6 hour time frame, price has taken the highs at the 6 hour time frame, and this is a pretty good shot, I guess. If we just go read our lower time frame, if we study that would have been a good shot. We also have previous 6 hour high, candles low here. There are pretty good chances that price can come to these lows, considering this is our premium discount array. Price is still at premium. Price has also taken all-time highs, so that would be great to see price to come to this 6 hour candles low. We'll just go to 4 hour candle. Is there something we can look at in terms of 4 hour candle? Okay, we have a 4 hour candles low as well. Price has taken the previous 4 hour candles high, and it is now dumping into the 2 a.m. London lows, I guess, the kill zone lows. So I'll just expect price to come to these. If there is a manipulation higher somewhere, I'll try to see if price come to these lows, and if possible, we'll be looking at the 6 hour lows. So right now, I feel like the bias is bearish right now, and I want to confirm this with SMT. If there is some sort of SMT, if there is some good SMT, that would have been a very clean trade. Okay, do we have something? Oh baby, no. Okay, this is interesting. This is interesting that price has dropped into, I mean, the YM has dropped into the 4 hour candle, and seems like YM is pushing higher. The same time, NQ and ES, I mean, ES is not doing anything, but NQ seems to be falling lower. NQ is falling lower. YM is marching higher. Not a typical price action I would love to see. But do we have something at the highs? I mean, yes, we do have something. And we'll just get into lower time frame more. Okay, there is no SMT with NQ and ES, but there is SMT with YM. Seems like the push has already started. Like we can't get into trades right now, but we'll have to just monitor. I want to see price getting to these lows, and from there I'll just see where it wants to go. So we have these buy side taken out, and I'll put it as small as possible. Sell side. Okay. So right now we have this M5 FEG. Let's see if price wants to go to get inside of that, and let's see if there is some reactions. I'm not gonna push button right away. This day is gonna be a slow day for me, because there is SMT at the highs and SMT at the lows with OEM. So I'm not gonna trust this price action right now. But gun to my head, I'll be looking at these 4 hour lows, and if possible, I'll be looking at the H6 lows. So we have an SMT. We have an SMT with ES. The down move has already started. There is no point in we entering into it again. So the FEG is staying open here, and the FEG is tapped right there. I'll get into 3-minute time frame. This would have been the ideal entry, guys. This would have been the ideal entry. I'll set my gaps. Is there some good gaps? So we have a new day opening gap right there, and we have our news lows, I guess. This is all part of the news. We have news lows right here. Price started dumping lower, started pushing lower. That would have been the proper setup, because when VIX is lower, whenever like the VIX is lower, usually what NQ tends to do is that when we have a structure break, price would go here, tap the structure break. Let's say that's the lows, and from there it would start going. And let's consider this as the PDRA matrix, premium discount array, whatever you call it. This would be the equilibrium. Price would very rarely come to equilibrium. But when VIX is very low, price would go deep into this breaker or premium area or OTE, whatever you want to call, and then price start giving some good setups over there inside deep premium, some deep discounts. Okay, interesting. Okay, we do have another SMT, guys. We do have another SMT, but let's see if this weakness is there in markets. Why did market react right now? It's not some very so NVOX. We don't have any NVOX, I guess, guys. So we have an NVOG, I guess. With BD adjust, we have an NVOG at the highs, but I'm not turn them off. So we do have our NVOGs at the lows. We have an SMT for now. The structure break is kind of clean, but let's see if the sell side bias is holding. This lows looks so good. We need some more data, guys. That's it. We need some data. We need a lot of data. This shot would have been clean, but I don't know where people would have entered. The entry should have been somewhere around here, and the lows as a target, which is around just 40 handles. The movement is not so good, guys. There is no movement at all. Price is engineering liquidity is what I feel right now. Interpreting this particular price action, I feel price is just engineering liquidity at the lows, and we'll be having another 1 hour, 30-minute candle opening. So price, see, whatever I like, what I think is that right now. What I think, let me tell you what I think right now. Yeah, like Shrikrish says, there is no volume, bro. Bro, why not trade at 8:30 as news at 8:30? Bro, like I feel comfortable trading 9:30s, bro, because that is what I've been doing for so long, and I know better how 9:30 reacts, at least because for the past 3 years, the time I started trading ICT, I was trading with index only. And also this 9:30 model only I've been trading. 9:30 Judas is the first model I was introduced to. That's the first model which I was introduced to when I was trading, when I started trading, actually, not learning. When I started trading from the guy called Phantom. He's not trading, I guess, now. He switched into, I guess, what, coding, I guess. He's not trading, I guess, right now. From him, I learned 9:30 Judas, and after that, it's like tuning my own model, developing my understanding of how price works around 8:30 and 9:30. And real volume, I guess, comes after this 9:30's opening bell. So yeah, that's it. We have a 15-minute FEG at those highs. I really feel that we are going for the lows. My bias for now would looking at this H4's FEG. I'll be looking at the lows. Tell me, guys, if you see some SMT. We have an SMT that's holding for now, but yeah, I'll have my charts ready. 1 minute time frame for recording. So if there is a trade presented, I'll just trade. I'll enter. I'll press buttons. Should we always wait for 50% retracement? That's kind of an understanding, bro, because when price is pooling, no, when the volatility is higher, when the particular VIX which we are talking about is higher. So I'll show you what VIX is, okay? I'll show you what VIX is. Just give me a minute. I'll pull my other layout. Sorry. So okay, I'll just show you what VIX is, okay? So we have something called as VIX here, okay? So VIX is the volatility index, and whenever VIX is just above like 25 or 26, right, price starts pooling. Like it will aggressively hunt an SL. The liquidity pool at one side, and it will directly reverse towards other side. When volume is like very lower, the VIX is at the lows just below 18, 19, 17, at 16, these levels, no. Price really starts chopping around, and there would be no real moves. So that is why, like, when during such conditions, like OT works better, and when VIX is at highs during all these conditions, we will not be getting some 50% retracements. Price will directly fall from there. I mean, this is just a learning curve, I guess. We have an SMT at the 4 hour lows. I really don't want to see higher prices because the way prices did all these tree driver pattern, if you remember from ICT score content 1, 2, and 3. All these tree driver pattern, I don't really want to see that getting violated because these are high resistance liquidity runs, and I'll be looking for low resistance liquidity run signatures. So this could be souped, I feel. So this particular high could be souped. So yeah, let's wait and watch, guys. Let's wait and watch. The stream is going to be a long, patient stream. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask them. Price is just chopping around. It's still inside the previous 30-minute candles range. We have 5 minutes for the open. What I really feel is that price would be getting to this. The 30. I'll be looking for shorts at 9:30 open, simply because price is consolidating. This is M30 candle. Okay, this is M30's candle. I really want to see price getting lower, just because price is at a premium from these lows to these highs. The fact that price has made all these tree driver patterns, I'm not a fan of, and that just tells me that price could be going lower. And I'll be keenly watching that 30-minute FEG, and I'll try to directly add some soups at 30 minutes highs. So that's my 30-minute highs for now. So if fatal price like gets into that 30-minute highs, I'll try to add some positions. I'll start slowly. This is going to be an experimental stream. So price here, if you see, has gone into the previous 15-minute highs. The highs has been taken out. But yeah, patience, guys. During such conditions, patience. Like SBADJ needs to be on or off, which is good. Bro, I don't really have an answer for that, but I keep it off most of the times. Yesterday was the only day I kept it on. But I prefer keeping it off. I don't know how other people have this in their chat, but I prefer keeping them off, bro. Let's go, guys. Around 4 minutes for the open. Welcome, Appu. Guys, let's go for 20 likes as now, as of now. Like 47 people watching, and we'll go for 20 likes, guys. I prefer shorts, but the fact that we are having SMT at the 4-hour lows is a single concern for me. So that is the problem, guys. Like trading all-time highs is not at all easy. I get smoked. How was the month of June for futures, bro? Was it a good month or bad month? June, I would say it's bad, bro. At least for me, I don't know how other people got their months as of now, but I felt like it was very tough for me. Summer price action, I've what I spoke to other people, and they told summer price action is kind of this, like, the wicks are low, the volume is low, choppy moves, like it delivers very slow. There will be a lot of retracements. It's kind of hard for me to handle. The price is at an all-time high, so is it a good time to sell? No way, it need not be the case. That is what I've told in the Discord. Around London, I've told it, I guess, to someone who has the same question. Trading all-time highs is high, and our brain will trick us to like just look for sales because price has tapped an important liquidity pool. That's the yearly highs. All-time highs, I guess. And our mind will trick us to just get into shorts, but that need not be the case. Even like after going into all-time highs, price can start marching forward. So yeah, today needs a lot of patience, guys. I don't really want to see this go down from here. Seriously. I am seeing some L model information right now. So we have an SMT also. What is Nvidia doing, guys? What is Nvidia doing? So Nvidia is opening at a gap, guys. Great. Nvidia is opening. Now 15-minute FEG has been tapped. So I don't think so. We need more buy pressure. I mean, that's a good spot for us to sell, but that was quick for us to get in. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's a perfect entry if someone wants to sell, but that has been tapped. That was very quick. That was in seconds. Yeah. That's okay. I'm just gonna mark true day open and 8:30 open. I guess 8:30 open is right there. If I don't get a setup, I'm not gonna force setup. I'll call it a day. Bro, we have some good sales setup, but it's kind of ranging inside all these eyes, but I don't want to risk anything. Just will patiently wait. So price has opened at, price has opened gap up. Price has opened gap up. Nvidia is falling lower. ES is going higher. I don't find that really good. I don't find that any good. So that's our M15 volume imbalance, your inversion FEG. Okay. So nothing, no volatility, nothing. RTH has open gap up. Nvidia is falling lower. Nvidia is falling lower. Previous day highs price is just close to previous day's highs. Any closure below this 8:30 opening can really okay. So I guess that's my sell trigger. If there is a closure below, I'll try to enter. There is a closure below, I'll try to enter. No closure. No closure. OEM is going higher, guys. What's happening, bro? This market is cooked, bro. This market is cooked. To see such a gap up and rally in YM, that's haunting. We have previous days highs very close with YM. That's a surprising rally in YM, guys. That's a surprising rally. I want to see previous days highs getting taken out, and also RTH highs has already been taken out. RTH highs has been already been taken out. ES is kinda, bro, it's very hard, bro. I don't want to sell short here. I don't want to sell short here because YM is going higher and there is no pressure with ES also. That could be a good sell, but I'm not going to risk anything here. The momentum is kind of off. YM makes a bullish FEG and ES here going lower. I don't feel anything. I don't feel any FOMO. ப்ரோ ஏன் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் அக்கௌண்ட் சாட்டில் ஏற்றிஹெச் எடுக்கல இன்னும், பட் நீங்கள் ஷோ பண்ணுற சாட்டில் ப்ரோ நான் பிடிஜே இங்கே இருக்குது பாருங்கள், இந்த பிடிஜே வந்துட்டு ஆஃப் பண்ணி வைங்க ப்ரோ. நான் ஆஃப் பண்ணி தான் வச்சுருக்கேன். ஸோ ப்ரைஸ் இஸ் வெரி க்ளோஸ் டு 4 hour lows. Very close. Price is very close to 4 hour lows. I don't see any short setup right here. Price is ugly as fuck. Ugly guys, price is ugly. So price is taking support at previous days first presentation FEG. Just mark previous days first presentation FEG in your charts. Please mark guys, please mark first presentation FEG in your chart. Yesterday's first presentation FEG. It's taking support right there. Okay, what's happening with GC guys? Nothing for me. Price is just chopping around. Okay, we have a 5-minute inversion. Lows SMT, highs SMT. Lows SMT, highs SMT. SMT நிறைய இருக்கு ப்ரோ. பட் இது எஸ்எம்டி ஓகே தான், ஆனால் புஷ் எதுவுமே இல்லை. அது உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா? புஷ் எதுவுமே இல்லை. புஷ் ஆச்சுன்னா ஓகே அப்படின்லாம், பட் புஷ் எதுவுமே இல்லை சுத்தமாக. ஒய்எம் வந்து இப்போ தான் ப்ரீவியஸ் டேவோட ஹைஸ் எடுத்திருக்கு ஆர்டிஹெச்சில். சரி நான் சொல்கிறேன்ல, புஷ் ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. ஓகே, எஸ்எம்டி அட் த ஹைஸ் கைஸ், எஸ்எம்டி அட் த ஹைஸ். இப்படி ஊற்றுனா எங்கே ப்ரோ என்ட்ரி எடுக்கிறது? கொஞ்சம் கீழே கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸ் ஆனால் பரவாயில்ல. Nothing guys, I'm not gonna take anything. I mean straight-ஆ ட்ராப் ஆகுது ப்ரைஸ். எங்கே போய் என்ட்ரி எடுக்க? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் எஃபிஜி கீழே க்ளோஸ் ஆகிருக்கு, பட் ஆனால் ரேஞ்ச் இல்லை எனக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. எஸ்எல் வைக்க, டார்கெட் செட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எனக்கு பெருசாக ரேஞ்ச் கிடையாது. ஸோ ஐம் நாட் கோன் டேக் தேட். பட் சொன்ன மாதிரி சேல்ஸ் போச்சு, பட் ஆனால் சொன்ன மாதிரியே சேல்ஸ் போயிருக்கு. 30 minute எஃபிஜியை டேப் பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே ஊற்றிட்டான் ஜிஜி. ஓகே, expectation was right, but there is no setup provided. Gold was good bro, but we are trading NQ தானே bro, அது ஒரு பிரச்சனை இல்லை. The gold was good, maybe it could have been good. Yeah, gold was good. இது பேப்பரில் போட்டு வச்சிருந்தது, அண்ட் that was silver. ஒரு கேப்ஸ் எப்படி ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுது பாருங்க ப்ரோ. ஆனால் கேப் எப்படி ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுது பாருங்க. என் ட்ரேடவேட் அக்கௌண்ட் ஆனில் தான் இருக்குது, வேணும்னா அது காமிச்சிருக்கும் அந்த இடத்துல. சூப்பராக ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணுது கேப்ஸை. இங்கே பாருங்க, சி இப்போ என்கியூவோட நல்லா ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கு ப்ரோ. Sell side. Gap. L model. Clean 1:1 hour. லோவர் டைம் ஃப்ரேமில் பிடிச்சிருந்தா நல்லா செல்லுது. நம்ம என்கியூக்குள்ளே போவோம். என்கியூவில் வந்துட்டு ஃபஸ்ட் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் எஃபிஜிக்குள்ளே ப்ரைஸ் போயிருக்கு. H4 எஃபிஜி இது. மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம் அதை. மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம் கைஸ். ஃபஸ்ட் ஐயோ மிஸ்ட். ஓகே, ஐம் கோயிங் ஃபார் any closure below the lows. I'll plan for trades, but I've not nothing. இது செக் பண்ணணும். L model, beautiful sell. Missed it. பட் ஆனால் ஐ மீன் நமக்கு வந்து ஆர்ஆர் ஃபேவர் பண்ணியிருக்காது. நம்ம இங்கே வச்சுருந்தாலும் 1:1 கூட வந்திருக்காது. 1:1 தான் வந்திருக்கும். இங்கே ஆர்ஆர் ஃபேவர் பண்ணியிருக்காது நமக்கு. இந்த விக்லெஸ் கேண்டலும் ஒரு டவுட்டு தான். இன்னும் எஸ்எம்டி ஹோல்ட் ஆகுது இல்லை பைஸ்க்கு. எஸ், பைஸ்க்கு வந்து எஸ்எம்டி நல்லாவே ஹோல்ட் ஆகுது. NVIDIA is dragging NQ lower. Mutton chops, yes, looks like a no volume. என்ன தமிழில் பேசுகிறீங்க? சாரி. Okay, I do see some volume incoming, guys. Okay, H4 FEG tapped. Let's see if this becomes inverse. First presentation FEG. So we want a closure above. Bro, no range bro, literally. Serious, there is no range bro. Previous 1 minute ice made a closure. Sub guys, sub. Hey, L model, I told you, like basically we'll be looking for closure below the previous candles. We have a previous candles low getting taken out. We have a clean liquidity pool, and that's a short. With L model, we'll be placing our stop loss at the highs. Pakka setup. Pakka setup. Bro, still NVIDIA's. Okay, I'm going 3 cells. I'm doing 3 cells. The stop loss there, and we're again rejecting off of those. I see a 6-hour liquidity pool just lower. There's no clear range. I'm switching to regular trading hours. So we have our previous PM sessions lows. Let's see if we'll be able to pull this short off. Simple previous day highs to previous day lows. So L model close. I'm gonna put my SL to these lows. I mean these highs. My model. I'm just following my model, guys. I'm just following my model. So we are in the short right there. Let's see. if we are really going short, I don't want to see that price getting violated. Okay, that's a very tiny SL. I'll go for one more shot. I mean, short, less short. Very tiny SL. And seven threes or I mean 7 2s or 14 threes or almost 40-50 handle shot but I'll look for something more. Again, we do have some SMT order. Yeah. I'll go for one more shot. Shot. 830 வந்து நம்மள வேலையை காமிச்சிருச்சு கைஸ். ப்ரைஸ் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி reacted at 830. There is an SMT at the lows also. Yeah. I saw. Can you explain why should we think like okay now price has turned bullish, bearish? Asking it in higher terms. So higher time frame, like price has gone into see, I was expecting reaction and hence like there was reaction. I was expecting price to trade to all these lows, but again we are getting higher reactions and we should be targeting higher prices. It's just based off of reactions, bro. See, now price gave a low at SMT and right now it's going higher. ES on that, it's literally dead, guys. ES has not moved anywhere. Even if I buy here, I'll not be having enough confidence. Because price highs வந்து ஸ்வீப் பண்ணிருக்கு. I'll go for bro unwanted, bro. Unwanted. If price again comes back and gives us an FEG, I'll try to enter. I'll enter again. Okay, I'll go short YM now. YM feels very good. Good displacement. YM has very good displacement. I'll go short YM. YM is weak. YM is very weak. If that's my SL, I am done, guys. YM is very weak. L model. Stop loss placement at the highs. I really wanted to short NQ, but NQ is not giving any of those signatures to go short. Volume imbalance. FEG. I'll add one more. If price get into this FEG, I'll put my stops at the highs. If price get backed into this FEG, I'll add one more. YM feels real. I mean, YM can go give us a pretty good short. So why I did want to take that as like, I don't know if you guys has been following me for so long, but we have something as Kodu in our community. And looking at all three, I'm looking for lower prices. NQ, I mean, YM kind of feels like that's at a good level to go short. It has some range to give some shots. So if there is another opportunity, I'll try to sell, add more limit. If price breaks lower, I'll add more. If price goes higher, I'll add one. Simple. If that's done, then I'm done for the day, guys. Not trying to force anything. We have our L model here. We have two contracts on right now. If that's done, I'm done for the day, guys. We have L model. We have our Kodu. We have our 9:30 opening bell. (9:30's opening bell. We'll change our house to electronic time frame, and I can see some good liquidity pools just below 9:30 opening price. I'll try to target them. Sell side. We need a break right now. Like, what's the time right now? Macro is about to open. So that's our L model. Okay, guys, I am in this trade, guys. So yeah, let's see. If that's an SL, I'm done for the day. YM Dow Jones. Bro, NQ கீழே போகுது bro. Shit bro. Hey, yaar, NQ's going lower. YM. So we have our invalidation. Let's see. Bro, NQ. Why do you do this to me, bro? Topped out and then falling lower. Okay, if that's an SL, that's a valid SL for me. I'm gonna take it. I'll put my stops to the size. Proper L model stop loss placement. If there is a closure below, I'll try to add more to my position. Okay. Because you betray NQ. Okay. I need a closure and I'm gonna move. Okay. Proper place to move my stop loss. Bro. NQ, bro. Okay, I'll add one more. I'll add one more. So this is our first presentation FEG. That could betray our model. So just wait. I mean, the model has been there. I'm using the lower time frame my models to align with my bias and try to enter, guys. Simple. See, even if price comes lower, takes me, I'm happy because I followed my model here. But I betrayed NQ. That's something to worry about. So we have our FEG. Let's see if that provides support or we are fucked. I'm not going to do anything. That's the max I could add. And if that is a bearish break below these lows, I'll move my stop loss. I'll trail my stop loss. If not, I'll not be doing anything. I just want to see all these lows getting violated. 930 is open, so I'll try to remove partials all those along all these way. If there is a closure, that's a closure. I'm up, bring my stop loss lower. Okay. Okay. So like it's kind of risk free right now. It has to free fall. And bro, when you come to Discord VC, I want to ask some doubts. Yeah, perfect. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. Did you trade in these pairs like SPX? Yeah, yeah, it's the same, bro. If there is a closure below, I'll just try to move my stops to break even. I don't want to see them getting tagged again. So I'll add 50%. 50%. If you're really bearish, we want to see 50% getting tagged. Okay. I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even. So it would be like a break even day for me. Not a lot of actually. I mean, it's a break even day for me. Let's see. We'll hold, guys. No problems. GG. Okay, 50% of that effigy is being tagged. We'll just have to wait, guys. If RTY is lows has been taken out, I'll remove two. If RTY is low is taken out, I'll remove two. I mean, the trade is at break even right now, so we just want to see how things goes. Again, we'll switch to 3-minute time frame to see L model. Okay, so we have our 3-minute FEG there. We could have sold short, but we have added positions. But simple. Now we want to see this FEG CB react. Nothing much we can do. We had our positions, we had our limits, nothing. I mean, everything. So we'll just have to wait. If that's if that takes my orders, it's fine. 10 a.m. opening is very close, so that's it. I mean, that's gonna be crucial. The name opening is right here. So that's gonna be crucial. Either SL or TP. Anything, guys? Anything? Anything else? Anything else? How's the trade? Yes, NQ is doing another thing right now, but just we are sticking to. I mean, if the laws getting violated in RTY, I'm remove two contracts off. I'll just let one leave because RTY is like ES and NQ. YM and RTY is like ES and NQ. Okay, it is about to get triggered. I'm gonna add a two. Because price is consolidating, I wanna do this really. If the lows are taken, I'll just remove two. RTY very close. Give me. Give me. Yo, bro, really? Okay, I'll buy back two. I'll just have one, and that's at absolute break even. Because I can see that NQ is going higher. So this is at break even. I'll just okay. RTY's loss has been taken out. RTY's loss has been taken out, and now it's proper break even, guys. I've removed two, and it's now at proper break even. Because NQ gone higher, bro. NQ gone higher. All looking good. Let's see. Yeah, all looking perfectly good. Let's see. Now we don't have anything. The stop loss is placed very good. The RTY's loss has been taken out. Now there is a bullish SMT with YM and there is bullish SMT with YM and RTY. Sorry for my language. I'm not like my English is not my first language. That is what I try to tell. And yeah, good. Thank God we got our what our this is 10 a.m. Thank God we took partials. It was 50%. It was also like 50% of it. YM is going a year. ES is going a year. This was a lucky shot for us. It was of course lucky shot for us. We shorted here when this done this, we shorted here. We've added one here, so it was two contracts off around here. It was a good management, I would say. So properly managed, not a good trade. I guess it is like properly managed trade. Nothing much. YM said our ass today. You speak pretty well, man. No, bro, I can feel it myself. Like the words don't come very good. I can feel it in my balls. Okay, now that's inverse, and I'm happy with that getting taken out. Okay, perfect, guys. So yes, we had two executions. One was kind of break even, I would tell. One was like a proper break even, and this is a good managed trade, I would say. But yeah, we have not maximized the trade's potential. Still, it was a lucky trade for us, I would say. RTY's loss has been taken out. The loss, potential loss has been taken out. SMT. I don't care if price dumps from here. SMT with RTY. This was the previous day's high. I'll remove this. So yes, guys, that's a trade for today. That is not a proper trade, I would say. We manage our trade well. We plan for shorts. We was not getting shorts. We tried shorts with NQ. So I'll just give a pretty summary of today. And we were looking for lower prices. Prices open gap up. We are looking for lower prices, and we shorted NQ, but it was not a proper short. And we got like kind of break even, I would say that one. The second trade we took it in ES. YM, we had a good displacement. I had my preferable levels, and those levels been respecting. We gone sales. I try shorting at every possible expansions. I did 1, 2, and 3 contracts. My average was just around here, 50% reached, and I closed my shorts around here, and another got a break even. So yeah, that's the trade for me, guys. And yeah, good day, I would say. We'll come again tomorrow and see how things goes. It's kind of an 1 hour, I guess, but yeah, we'll come again tomorrow. We'll see how things goes. I'm done for the day today. Actually, I like really wanted to record this management, but I was not able to. I forgot recording that. maybe tomorrow I'll come and give a trade breakdown. I mean, the breakdown is here already, so I'll just share what could be the best setup for tomorrow, and I'll be there for live streaming at the same time tomorrow around the open. And hope you guys love the stream. If you want to buy accounts, if you want to trade crypto, there is no other platform better than CFT. And if you buy accounts with CFT and face any problems, I personally assure you that it would be sorted, because I have some powers over there. So if you have some issues, and it would be sorted in no time. And I guess that's the trade, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the stream, and see you tomorrow in the next stream, guys. Bye bye.